Welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Epicenter and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Friday, November the 19th. Typically, you'd expect to be a slow news cycle day, but resources are just doing too well. They're too hot. Got great news out for you. Let's start you off first with, out of China, Yingli Green Energy trades over there on the NYSE on the stock symbol YGE. They put out their third quarter 2010 results. This is for the period ended September 30th. If you didn't see their ads during the World Cup, this is one of the world's largest, according to the company, one of the world's largest vertically integrated photovoltaic manufacturers, which means they're in the solar energy space. Here are the highlights. Net revenues, $491 million. That's an increase of 25% quarter over quarter. Looks like that World Cup advertising did very well for them. Operating income, $110 million. Gotta love that. Net income, $68.2 million. From a diluted earnings per share point of view, that translates to 44 cents per share. Pretty good number considering they closed yesterday at $10.73. Because if you extrapolate that number over 4 quarters, you can close to the $1.70 range, and that puts them about 6 times earnings. Now, that is a big stretch. If they can repeat that performance, they may do better, they may do worse, but on its face, looks like a pretty good number. Their 52-week high, $19.11, so they are way out the 52-week high. Make sure you go take a look, make sure there weren't any negative events that impact the company's stock. They do distribute their products around the world, including Germany, Spain, Italy, Greece, France, South Korea, China, and the United States. Some of that makes me nervous because you've got Spain, Italy, and Greece that are all part of the latest sovereign debt problems in Europe. Nonetheless, great press release out of the company, and go take a good look at that. Next up, trading on the TSX Venture Exchange, Evolving Gold, EVG. This company is no secret to AGORACOM viewers and watchers of this show. They're a past client of ours, great performer, and yesterday they put out great news. They put this out in the afternoon. That's why we're talking about it right now. It turned out that they generated about 1.5 million shares of volume in just a couple of hours. That tells you what this news was like and how it was recepted specifically. They're saying they've discovered gold mineralization at their Jake Creek project in Nevada. Their highlight hold here, 45.7 meters at 0.97 grams ton of gold, including 29 meters at 1.33 grams ton. The company says these are the first 2 drill holes at their 100% owned Jake Creek property. That's in north central Nevada, and they're saying they both intersected gold mineralization in a previously unexplored system. Here are the highlights. JC005, that was the headline hole. JC001 intersected multiple zones of anomalous gold. JC002 through 4 remain to be drilled. The high-grade intersection in that headline number the company says, is at a depth similar to that mine in the nearby Ken Snyder mine in the Midas district. So they're trying to say there's some similarity there. It is early, but the market responded very, very well, driving the stock up to about a high 99 for the day, closed at 98 on big volume. 52-week high, $1.32. 52-week low, 69 cents. Next up, VMS Ventures trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the stock symbol VMS. They reported 2.93% copper over 63.7 meters. This is in hole RLD 006. This is infill drilling at the Reed Lake joint venture. That joint venture is between VMS and Hud Bay Minerals. Very well known. People are very excited about this. The Reed Lake deposit is a base metal, polymetallic, massive sulfide type deposit. It's approximately 100 kilometers away from Hud Bay's concentrator in Flin Flon, Manitoba. They're saying that the program is proceeding on schedule with 22 holes now completed. That tells me more drill results coming. This is a client of AGORACOM. Have to disclose that, but as always, we don't talk about AGORACOM client news unless it stands on its own 2 feet. The latest results, according to the company, were focused on copper. We're focused on the copper and zinc-rich lenses near surface. Closed yesterday, 45 cents, just off its 52-week high of 49 cents, way off its 52-week low of 20 cents. So congratulations to VMS, Rick Mark, and his gang over there. And finally, on the non-resources side, wanted to let you know about this since it's a Friday. Liberator Medical, OTC, LBMH reported record net revenues for the 4th quarter and the full year. Let me look at this. Record net revenues, approximately $11.5 million for the 4th quarter, $41 million for the entire year. And the company saying those are both revenues. That 4th quarter number, it represents an increase of 51.5%. 8% sequentially. Gotta like that. Revenue represents an increase of 58.5% over last year. They closed yesterday $1.35, $2.44 the 52-week high, $1.15 on the 52-week low. That's a wrap. As always, if you look for more great small cap companies, then get up to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines and get into our directory. Or if you're watching us on Globe Investor, in the resources and commodity sections there, depending on where you are, I look below me or to the left of me, keep track of some of the best headlines that we're tracking in the space, as well as some great interviews and webcasts to provide you with great leads into potential investments. That's a wrap. Have a great weekend. I'll be in San Francisco for the Hard Assets Metals Conference, so I won't be back. I won't be here Monday and Tuesday. Paul will be filling in. I'll see you on Wednesday. Otherwise, have a great day, great weekend.